Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto on this beautiful sunny day. Today we have a 2024 Volkswagen Jetta S. All the features and things within. It is of course in white, so let's go ahead, hop inside and take a look. Hopping inside, you have this nice sleek Volkswagen steering wheel and 31,000 miles up on the dash. You can access things within the instrumental panel over here. So you of course have your telephone, things like that. You can scroll throughout this, find out all the information within the dash right in here. And then you also have your voice commands, so connecting a phone, doing speak with that, things like that. And then you also have your station controls, so you can adjust your stations right through there. Over here you have your volume, so you can turn that up and down. Cruise control settings, adaptive cruise control, so you can stay in the lines and stay a good distance from the vehicle from in front of you. Over here you have your exterior lighting settings, so you can turn those on, auto, as well as all the way on with your high beams. Checking out your touchscreen display though, let's see what it has in store. So you have your radio, which is AM and FM radio. Going into apps, you can see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Connect a phone and use that. Phone connection would be right up here. You also have your media right in there, Bluetooth audio, menu, that is anything with your vehicle, sound, app connection. Hopping over to settings, you can adjust the time, language, date, things like that, scroll throughout that. Your factory settings and system information right in there. But let's go back onto your menu. You can know when you're all set to go. Any of the issues that were to happen with the vehicle would just pop up in your vehicle status to go ahead and be aware of. Let's put this in reverse and check out the backup camera. Nice clear backup camera. And popping right over here to color, you can adjust it to be more saturated, as well as dark or lighter, depending on the sun shadow, brightness, everything like that right in there. But let's put this back into park. And that's about it for up on the screen. For checking out the screen, down below here you have your hazard lights and adjustable vents. Air controls, climate controls, so you have your temperature, airflow, and then of course your mode, so you can adjust that to your preference as well. You have your AC and controls right in here. 2 USB-C ports, so you can plug in your device, plug it in and charge it up, as well as a 12-volt right in front of there. You have some storage for some extra things, and then your parking brake, auto off, and eco mode, so you can turn those off. And then you also have sports mode, so you can slide over and see that that is available. It pops up on your dash. Manual 1 for drive. Use that as a manual kind of feel. Cup holders, pocket for your phone, and then center console here with some storage. Deep amount of storage within this Volkswagen. You do have your door and light controls right up here, as well as of course your SOS. Big child lock, back windows, front windows, and mirror controls. Let's unlock the Jetta and take a step out. Take a look at the interior of the Volkswagen. Down here on the door, as well as you have your trunk release and gas cap release. A little bit of a storage compartment right there in the door. Let's check out the seats. This Jetta is a dark gray cloth material with a little bit of a lighter gray. Pretty comfy seats, ready to go anywhere, anytime. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. Taking a look back here, it's not a whole lot. You don't have a lot of storage. You have some cup holders in the door here with your window controls, and a decent amount of leg room. But you can always put down the second row seats for some more storage. Let's check out the trunk though. On top of having the release on the door panel, you also have one back here under the logo. You have plenty of space in the back of this Jetta actually. For being a sedan, this is how you put down the second row seats, pull down the left and right side, and then you also have some space for a spare tire and some tools in case of any emergency. But overall, that is the gist for this Volkswagen Jetta. You have a little bit of a handle here, shut it nice and easy. And that is all I have today for this Volkswagen Jetta here in Ephrata, PA. It's a 2024, perfect to go anywhere, and get pretty good gas mileage. So if you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985. You're always stop in for a visit, take it for a test drive, see if this is the vehicle for you. But until then, I'll see you then. Bye.